to Sprinkle Pop Sweet World, a colorful place where treats are fun and healthy choices help us feel our best. Hi friends, I'm Sprinkle Pop. I love sweet treats and fun days. Sprinkle Pop was having fun, but something didn't feel right. My tummy feels funny. I don't feel very poppin' anymore. I ate donuts, cookies, a piece of cake, and some ice cream to wash it all down. Hey, Sprinkle Pop, sometimes our bodies need healthy food to feel strong. Fruits give us energy to run, jump, and play. Healthy food can help me feel better. Wow, I feel awesome again. Healthy foods help our bodies grow strong, and treats can still be enjoyed sometimes. Treats are fun. Healthy food helps me run. Balance makes me strong. Remember, kids, eat colorful foods, drink water, and enjoy treats sometimes.